Hey YouTube, what's going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the HP Officejet Pro 6830. I just wanted to make a quick video talking about the print head error code, which usually you will get if there's an issue obviously with the print head or with the ink system. If you are getting that code, you can try cleaning the print head. Sometimes that might just work, but a lot of times it's not going to end up working. So if you're having this code, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for my video showing you how to clean this print head. And you can go ahead and try that method. If that doesn't work for whatever reason, I'm also going to leave some links to this printer and some printers that are similar to it. I did something similar to that in my last video as well. So that you can, if you have some leftover ink and you're just getting that error code, but you want the same printer and you're not sure where to go and get it, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that link, multiple links to this printer and 2 or 3 others that are similar, so that you can go ahead and get that. For the most part, usually that error code, it's usually not easily fixed. You cannot just change the print head on these types of printers. On others you can, but on these it's very difficult. So I really hope that you go down in the description below. Now if you're wanting to browse for another type of printer, maybe there's also other cleaning solutions on there as well. Go ahead and go to my website, bestprinterstech.com. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. But I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all about any other error codes, go ahead and comment below. For the most part, once you get an error code, you can try figuring out what it is. But this is just a general rule of thumb, and I kind of just wanted to shed some light on some resources that you have. If you're having that code, you can try cleaning it, which is the first link that's going to be in the description below. There'll be a video showing you how to clean it. It's inexpensive to do. Or the next step is really to just get a new printer, and I'm not sure if you guys want to go to the store and end up buying a new printer. The ink is really expensive. A lot of times you like to keep the same printer. So I'm just giving you some resources there for you to be able to do that. So I hope this was helpful. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And until next time.